Okay, so it's ticking over now, it's still cold, and you can see the rev counter at about 1,000. It's still cold, there's still a little bit of choke on, and the oil pressure is about 50. I'll pause it again and I'll let it warm up and show you what the oil pressure is again. Like I say, it's still cold, and he's ticking over at about 1,000 with a little bit of choke. Okay, he's just started to lift up the needle now on the temperature gauge. He's off the choke, and you can see the oil pressure gauge now dropped a bit. It's still pretty good, I think. When I rev it slightly, it does go up to 60, but he's still not up to temperature yet. Noise-wise, it's not really started to knock yet. It's coming from here when it does, which I know doesn't make sense. I think that's the clutch, isn't it? So, I'll pause it again and I'll start it again when it's warmed up. Okay, I've restarted the video. He's been running now for, I don't know, about 5 minutes. Temperature gauge is coming up a little bit. He's still not up to normal running temperature. The oil pressure gauge is down to just below 20, and if I rev it a bit, I can show you the rev counter as well. It's still pretty good. The noise wise, you can just start to hear the noise now. No noise over this side, it's mainly over the other side. I'll pause it again and let it warm up some more. Okay, he's all warmed up now. I think the oil's up to temperature. It's feeling a bit hotter now. I'll move the camera around so you can hear where the noise is coming from. Take it around the other side of the bike. The noise is coming from the other side, definitely. Show you the rev counter and the oil gauge now. The oil gauge now just off the needle. If I can try and show you the rev counter and the oil gauge at the same time, I'll take it up to about 4,000 revs. Fans come in now, so I'm definitely up to temperature. Okay, I'll see what you think. I'll try and send this off to you. Okay.